Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's check out their Crafters section in a different location, guys. I'm so excited. Let's take a look. So they only have one of these adhesive bling wraps, and those are in pink. Then they have the floral tape over there and these decorative red birds. Then they have one of these wall decals in the mirror. Okay, then they have this chalkboard wooden stakes and one pack of these pearls over here. Here's some Spanish moss, guys. And then you have some moss stones. And then over here you have your Excelsior, guys. I have some reindeer moss. It's been a while. And look at these wreath rings. Look how big they are. This is the 18-inch, guys. So I am seeing, oh look, they brought back this lace ribbon. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. So here's the chevron. They have one of these burlap rolls in the pink, the sheer, and here's the jute cord in these colors, guys. Then you have the shimmery kind right here, and I'm absolutely loving these lace ones. So some more jute cord here and some burlap rolls, and I need some of the silver wrap, so I'm gonna grab that. And then they have them in the gold, so I think I'm gonna grab a gold too. Okay, so we have some more of this burlap. Then they have the lacy burlap over here. So then they brought back the chevron in the white, the black and the red, and the polka dots in the same colors. Then they have some of these. Aren't they pretty, guys? Some of those succulents, and then they have these plastic containers for floral arrangements. Then over here, they have the fans. So if we come down here, oh look, they have some more bling wrap. Okay, so they have these big garden dishes. I'm not really sure. I think that's new. That's pretty big. Then they have some seashells along the bottom with some sand and those pellets in green and blue. And like I said, look at all that bling. These are the bling wraps. So then they have their styrofoam rings over here, and then there the squares. I like using those. Then they have the regular floral foam right here, and then they have these over here. So then they have this deco mesh over here, and these are like opalescent type of colors. So you see them, guys? I'm just gonna show you. They're so pretty. So you have your pebble stones over here, your white stones over here. Then you have the large crystal or the large pebble stones in the clear, and then the marbles right here. So they have the blue marbles, the darker blue marbles, and the lighter ones. And then these are mixed. This is a multiple. And then here are the green marbles. There's the white sand. Okay, guys, so they have the big fishbowl vases here. Then they have the regular cylinder vases here. And guys, over here, the tall ones. So I gotta think, guys, because I'm thinking of a DIY. So up there, you have some more of those foam rings. Then you have these kind of candle holders. Then over here you have these really beautiful iridescent ones, and then they have this kind here in these colors. And they have one of these, and 2 of these. So they have these tea light holders. Aren't they pretty? Then they have only one of these. These are pretty too. Then they have the heart-shaped ones. And here are, these are the big fishbowl ones I just showed you, the small cylinder ones and the tall ones. And then they have this kind. Oh look, they have the tea lights in the silver, metallic silver. And then they have, okay, they have one fluted vase in the back over there, and then they have the standard size one. They have this kind of vase, and they have this kind of vase right there. Now those I know come in colors. Then they have this kind right here, and some more cylinder vases there. Now these guys are so pretty, aren't they? The colors, no, they're so pretty. Look at that purple one. So let me show you on this side. So they also have them in this shape. I don't even know what color that is, guys. So they have them in that shape. Oh, look at these. These are so beautiful, guys. And then they have the square mirrors with the gold. And they have some of those little tiny carafes. Then they have these candle holders and those pink ones. Now here are the square ones. Those are standard here, guys. Then they have this shape. This is a nice shape. I like that shape. Then they have this kind, and then they have the white, plain white ones. So here they are, the gemstone, the tall skinny ones, and some potpourri on the bottom. So over here you have some glitter glue sticks. Okay guys, so we have some planner stickers over here in different kind. Okay, then they have these laser ones are so nice. Look at that one. Let me see. Look at that one. They are so pretty. Okay. So along the top you have those. These over here have googly eyes. Let me see. Then you have these stickers. Then you have these poofy ones, the pop-up ones. Let me see. These are all the same. Oh look, they have the heart gemstone stickers in the blue, the green, the red, and the clear. Those are nice. Then they have these. Aren't these gorgeous, guys? These look like ornaments. Then they have these stickers right here. Okay. Then they have them in the yellow and the pink. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I'm looking for the round ones. So here they have the mason jar ones. And then here they have the paper craft ones. And here they have, this one is a spaceship. Look at the donuts. I love the donut ones. Then they have these round ones and the dot ones. And they have, let me see, the smaller dot ones back here. And here are the planner stickers. Important appointment, birthday. They have that kind. Now guys, over here, let me see. They have these foam stickers, and then they have these letters and more planner stickers up there and over there. So then they have these water paint colors and some foam stickers here. These are the ones you color in. So they have some more stickers over here. And look at these guys, the round ones. These are really pretty. Then they have these kind, and here's some washi tape, guys. They have a lot of washi tape. So they have this kind over here. They have this kind. And that kind. And that one. And this one. So here you have some stencils. Okay. Then you have the pens. They're all stocked up in those, guys. So here you have your stencil brush and your regular brush and your little palettes. Here's some, the brushes all the way up, and some more palettes. Our palettes there. There are brushes. And here is the palette knife set and the finger painting sets all the way up. Then you have some glitter glues, guys. And you have some fashion dots here. Fastener dots. Then you have the crystal beads. Guys, these, and then you have the glue sticks and the multicolor, the glittery. Then you have the regular ones all the way to the top. Then I don't know, these are called magical adhesive dots. I gotta try one of those. And then you have some more of the sponge dabbers. And here, I'm sorry for the noise, guys, we're kind of full. Okay, so here's some storage containers. These are the slightly bigger ones, and then these are the tiny ones. So then you have your adhesive glue along the top, and then you have these googly eyes in black and white, and here they are, the tinier ones. And, well, actually they're different shapes and the multicolor. So then you have your two confetti up there, and they come in these colors, guys. Here you have the hearts, the gemstone hearts, and there's the butterflies. Let me see. Then you have these kind of beads. Seems like nobody really buys these. I'm not sure. Okay, so the fastener dots here, and then you have the glass beads. Then you have some sequins. Those come in colors. the pink stones, then you have the glitter shakers. And then you have the alphabet beads, the multicolored beads. These are alphabet beads, multicolor. Here's the green stones, and here's some more glass. Guys, if I notice anything new, guys, I'll let you know. So here are the containers. Then you have the foam beads in multicolors, and then you have the pom-poms in multicolor. On the top over there, you have the chenille stems. And then this says wood mobile hot air balloon. Here's some wood cutouts, guys. I'm sorry about that noise. Here you have the wood cutouts in the sea, the anchor, the boat, and then the sea animals. And here you have the clothespins and the tiny ones. And there you have the smaller of the wooden dowels. Here you have the numbers. I don't see the letters. And then these wood cutouts here looks like the owl, the ladybug, and the butterfly. So over here, guys, you have this wood cutouts. Like this one is color in with the little palette on the bottom and the brush. Here's the cactus that says hug me, and then you have that one there. Here's the narwhal. It's not cute. And then they have the diamond shaped palette right there. So here you have, oh look at this. They have the sun catcher that you can color. This is Mutant Ninja Turtles. These make nice gifts, guys. Then you have that one and that one along the top. So here's just the molds to shape the Play-Doh. So if we look in here, guys, you have some of these. You color them in. They come with the markers and the pens, and they have different kind. Then, I don't know, what are these? Shrink art, gems, and keychains. Okay. There's some activity things here. What is this? Color in, and here's another color in. Okay, so then here you have some of those containers and an apron. So we already looked at those. And then what are these over here? More aprons. And then you have some chenille stems there. Some more of the floral foam. And then you have these wooden. This is a llama. This is cute. These are wind chimes, guys. I like these. So they have the llama. Then they have this one. This is a bird feeder. This one here is another wooden chime, and I think that's a whale. And another drama one. And then they have these color. Isn't that cute? The color emojis. And I have this one. Isn't it cute? I love that one. So let's see what else is new here. So they have the glitter pens. I think I showed you those. Those are in the old packaging. Then let's see. I hope I didn't miss anything. So I didn't see anything new in this location, guys. But I love looking. I love shopping. And okay, guys, and then they have down here just a regular little glue gun, the glue sticks. Then you have some of the wooden. Here's the spray glue. This one right here is the spray multi-purpose glue, and it dries clear. And these are the only wooden pieces they have. They have the crosses, and then some of the animals, and that's pretty much it. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their crafters section, and I will see you in a new video.